Hello friends, welcome you all in our channel Market Mind. So friend, today we are going to discuss about IRM Energy Limited IPO. So it is a municipal or local natural gas distribution network company established in 2015. Company mainly operate in few states and union territory in India like Gujarat, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and union territory of Daman. Company markets CNG for use in motor vehicle, and USP of the company, it is one of the safest, cleanest and most effective PNG fuel provider for residential, commercial and industrial applications. Company has 48,172 domestic clients, 248 commercial clients and 179 industrial units. Milestone of the company, it has received award of the City Gas Distribution Growing Company of the Year 2020 from Federation of Indian Petroleum Industry. Talking about the financial profile of the company, as you can see, asset has increased from 267 crore to 792 crores. Revenue also increased from 166 crore to 1445 crore. PAT had increased to 128 crore in FY22 from 21 crore just, but there is a sudden fall to 63 crore in FY23, and reserve and surplus is also zero in FY23, which is not a good sign for us. Looking at the valuation of the company, so it is coming at price to earning ratio of 24 and return of net worth is 18.23, which is much higher than its peer competitor like Gujarat Gas, Indraprasad Gas, Mahanagar Gas, etc. Coming toward the IPO detail, so it is going to live on 18th of October and will close on 20th of October. Basis of allotment will occur on 27th of October on LinkedIn website and going to list on action on 31st of October, but basis of allotment listing will be occur before the mentioned dates as the trend is going on, and one lot in retail category will block your 14,645 rupees. Company wanted to raise total approx 546 crore through this IPO, in which 135 crore will be utilized to reduce debt on the company and 307 crore will be utilized to expand its business in Tamil Nadu state, and all issue is a fresh issue, no offer for sale, which is a good sign. Promoter holding is 68% before the listing. Talking about the GMP of the company, so currently it is trading at 18% in the market, showing 2,500 per lot profit as of now. But friends, never apply just on the basis of grey market premium, because it kept on fluctuated depending upon the secondary market condition. Talking about the suggestion, so my suggestion would be wait for anchor list to comes and apply on last day after checking the subscription station. And friends, I hope all your confusion is vanished after watching this video. And friends, please let me know in comment section, are you going to apply in this IPO or not. Friend, apart from this, committed cargo IPO allotment is updated on Big Share websites. If you have not checked yet, you can check now. And currently it is trading at 13% in premium, showing 50,000 per lot profit as per latest GMP. And thank you for watching this whole video.